Homemade Basmatic Mutton Pilaf with cashew nut rice recipe. Delicious and easy. Hello, foodies! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, a mouth-watering homemade Basmatic Mutton Pilaf with cashew nut rice recipe. If you're a fan of aromatic spices, tender mutton, and the rich flavors of basmati rice, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Now, let's get started. For the mutton marinade: 500 grams mutton, cut into pieces. 1 cup plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt to taste. For the rice: 2 cups basmati rice, washed and soaked for 30 minutes. 1/2 cup ghee, clarified butter. 1 large onion, thinly sliced. 1/2 cup cashew nuts. 1/2 cup raisins. 4 cups water. Salt to taste. Whole spices: 4 green cardamom pods. 4 cloves. 2-inch cinnamon stick. 2 bay leaves. 1 star anise. Preparation. Step 1: Mutton marinade in a bowl. Combine the mutton pieces with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well, ensuring the mutton is evenly coated. Let it marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight for the best flavor. Step 2: Cooking mutton. Heat a large pot and add a couple of tablespoons of oil. Add the marinated mutton and cook until it's browned on all sides. Step 3: Rice preparation. While the mutton is cooking, let's prepare the rice. In a separate pan, heat ghee and sauté sliced onions until golden brown. Add cashew nuts and raisins, and sauté until the nuts are lightly browned. Step 4: Cooking rice. Add the soaked and drained basmati rice to the pan. Stir gently to coat the rice with the ghee and onion mixture. Now, add the whole spices: cardamom pods, cloves, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, and star anise. Step 5: Combine mutton and rice. Once the mutton is browned, add it to the rice. Step 6: Cooking the pilaf. Pour in water, add salt to taste, and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer until the rice is cooked and the mutton is tender. This should take about 15-20 minutes. And there you have it, our delicious homemade Basmatic Mutton Pilaf with cashew nut rice. The aroma is incredible, and the flavors are out of this world. Don't forget to garnish with fresh coriander before serving. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to hit that subscribe and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. And as always, if you have any questions or want to see more recipes like this, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Thank you very much, Basmatic Mutton Pilaf with cashew nut rice lovers.